Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm going to explain the Ohm's law with a simulation. So, as we all know, what is Ohm's law? According to the Ohm's law, just a moment. Yeah. So, according to the Ohm's law, we all know V, the potential, is directly proportional to the current, which means if you increase the potential, the current increases linearly. So, we can also write V is equal to IR, where R is a proportional constant, or we can say it is a resistance. So, that we can say V is equal to IR, or I is equal to V by R, or R is equal to V by I. And if you plot the graph I versus V, if you plot the graph I versus V, since I mentioned here the voltage is increased with respect to the current linearly, so it must be a straight line passing through the origin. It must be a straight line passing through the origin. Now let us check the the animation with the animation. So let us check the same Ohm's law with an animation. So now I will show you. So let me say this is for, here the resistance is 2 ohms. Now initially I am applying 0 volt, so the current is also 0. So see here the current is 0. So now I'll increase the current, I'll increase the applied voltage. So for example I'll keep 1 volt. So when the 1 volt, the voltage is 1 volt, and the resistance is same 2 ohms, the current is 0.5 amps. Now let me increase to 2 ohms, 2 volts. So the current, the voltage is 2 volt, so the current is 1 amp. Let me increase to 3 volt. So if I increase 3 volt, the current is 1.5. And also you please observe the current is increasing. The current is increasing. The animation is also moving faster when compared to the lower voltages. So if I increase to 4 volt, so see the current is 2 amps. So the voltage is 2 ohms. And you please observe I kept the resistance as constant. If I increase 5 volt, so see here the current is 2.5. And also please observe the graph. As I mentioned here, the current versus voltage graph is a straight line which is passing through the origin. So the same graph is appearing here. So for 6 volt, so it is, the current is 3 amps, the voltage is 6 volt. So this is Ohm's law for 2 ohms, and you can perform the same experiment for several resistances, several resistance values. So initially it is in default I have chosen for 2 ohms. Let me change it to 4 ohms. Now let us see how the current versus voltage graph. So this is how the current versus voltage graph. Let me go to 1 ohm. So this is current versus voltage graph. As we all know, when the resistance decreases, more current will flow. So current versus resistance, if you could observe here, the current is inversely proportional to the resistance, which means if the resistance decreases, the current increases. That we can also observe here. For 1 ohm, the current is moving more faster than, let me say, 6 ohms. So see here. So okay, so this is and if you plot for 6 ohms, this is the graph. For any resistance, value, you will get weak I versus V graph is a straight line. So this is Ohm's law. So for the simulation, please go to the description part. For similar videos, please do subscribe.